Hello, welcome again to another video, very short simple video. So today we are going to make some mango pineapple mango pineapple salsa or salad, whatever you want to call it. So we have our pineapple here, chopped diced, then our mango chopped diced, and this is cucumbers chopped diced. Is it chopped? No, we didn't chop, it's having peels. So with the cucumber I soaked, or rather put them in water and vinegar, this one, yeah, before draining. Onions, red onions, water and salt, then yeah, we have that. Then we have the green bell pepper and lemon. So let's get into business, right? Go in with the pineapple. I'm not going to use all of it, just a little, because I don't want a lot of it. I'm going to use the pineapple in to make other things, yeah. Then mango, definitely it goes in, all of it. Namna that. This one I'll also use some on other things, so just not all of it, but quite a number. Yeah. Then it goes all inside. And then we have our beautiful green bell peppers, yeah. And this one, so it just went in. So let me try removing the seed. Ooh, whoa, ooh, I got it, yeah. Done. Let's mix everything together. Ooh, yo. What's stopping you from enjoying this Christmas with these amazing recipes, from salads to everything? Everything is just right here, and it's shit. Sure. Yo. Yeah, yummy. Yeah. That's it. Let's have a taste. Tusikie utamu. Look at that. What a try. Yummy. What? What's trying, guys? Ah. Try. Let me know in the comment section. Ndamu. So, subscribe, like, comment, share. Yeah. So we are going to pack to store some. Of course, I can't eat all of it. It's a lot. Storage into portions for me. This is a recipe you should try, guys. It's so yummy. It's super yummy, super delicious. I'm not leaving anything. You can either take it like this if you are a vegetarian, ama you eat it with anything of your choice, any meal of your choice. Yep. So here we go. Yeah, 3 days sorted. 3 days sorted. I would prefer this to the snacks processed. I would prefer this to use as a super the snacks. So snacking, breakfast, brunch, whatever it is, sorted for the week.